Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing something similar to what we did in our previous video. We're going to be doing another problem, except this time instead of doing a trigonometry problem, we're going to be doing an algebra problem. So over here, our question is x times y times z gives us x plus y plus z. And over here, the only things we know are that x, y, and z are consecutive. So what does that mean? Consecutive means they are one after the other. So 2, 3, and 4 are consecutive numbers. 5, 6, and 7 are consecutive, and so on. There are many consecutive numbers, and well, the amount of consecutive numbers is infinite. So over here, how do we solve this problem? Because the only things we know are that x, y, and z are consecutive. And that's the tricky part because we need 3 equations to solve for 3 variables. Because we know that to find one variable, we are required 1 equation. But then if we had 2 variables, we need 2 equations, and so on. So how do we solve this? Because we have 3 variables, and we only have 1 equation. So how are we supposed to solve this? Well, we're going to be using the information that we have is that x, y, and z are consecutive. And we're going to be making the best out of it by using that in our answer. So instead of trying to make 3 other equations, we're going to convert this one equation with 3 variables into one equation with 1 variable. So what does that mean? That means that instead of writing x, y, z is equals to x plus y plus z, we're going to write it in terms of y. So we're going to write this in terms of y. So what does that mean? So what do we know about x? We really don't know anything. So let's just make a few statements. Let x be y minus 1. Because if we said that y is the middle number in all of our consecutive numbers, then let y be y. So that isn't really needed. So we can ignore that. And our last one, let z be y plus 1. Because y minus 1, y, and y plus 1 are all consecutive. So let's write our equation in terms of y. Y minus 1 times y plus 1 gives us y minus 1 plus y plus 1. So that is our equation, and this is the same thing as xyz times is equals to x plus y plus z. So now let's continue our equation. So to do this, let's simplify our left-hand side of our equation. So this would be, so if we use our foiling method, let's solve these two brackets first. Y times y is y squared, and negative 1 times y is negative y. So our equation would be, our left-hand side of the equation would be y squared minus y times y plus 1. And if we cancel out the 1's over here, plus 1 and negative 1 cancel out, then we have 3y because y plus y plus y is 3y. Now let's simplify our left-hand side of our equation, which y squared times y is y cubed. Y squared plus y squared times 1 gives us y squared. Negative y times y gives us negative y squared. And negative y times 1 gives us negative y. Okay, so now that we have our equation, let's cancel everything that can be canceled out, which is y squared and negative y squared. So this gives us y cubed minus y is equals to 3y. So if we take our 3y to the left-hand side, that gives us y cubed minus 4y, which gives us 0. Now, if we take our 4y to the other side, that would give us y cubed is equals to 4y. So now we have to divide our right-hand side by y because we need to take away this y from our right-hand side. So y cubed divided by y gives us y squared is equals to 4. Now, what is the square root of 4? Well, the square root of 4 is 2, so y is equals to 2. So now we have to find our values for x and z. So what is z again? What is x again? Let's start with that. X is equals to y minus 1, and z is equals to y plus 1. So y minus 1, it gives us 2 minus 1, which is 1. And y plus 1 gives us 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. So there you have it, how to solve one of a really hard question, which is been solved. And this also makes sense because 1, 2, and 3 are all consecutive. So thanks for watching this video. If it helped, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.